Hello, hi everyone. This is the 4 bedroom of Mapsco Mount Ville 2650. This is the main entrance. This is the servant quarter along with the washroom area. So we are entering the 4 bedroom apartment. You are getting a modular door with the electronic panel. This is the foyer area so that the privacy of the apartment will remain maintained. This is a very spacious living and the dining area of the 4 bedroom. So you are getting the Italian marble inside the product. Plus we are getting the first washroom which is for the guests and all that. With the all high-end fittings of the cooler you are getting inside this. Plus the wardrobes you are getting in this apartment. Another is the first bedroom. So in the first bedroom you are getting the AC of the Daikin. You are getting the wardrobes. You are getting the wooden flooring inside this and a well-lit balcony. So I'm showing you the actual view of the project from the balcony. So see the beautiful view, friends. It is a lush green beautiful view from the balcony of Mapsco Mount Ville with all the water bodies, all the pool area, everything is live with 30,000 square feet of club area. So this is the facade of the towers designed by Hafiz. So now we are entering the living and dining area. We are entering the living and dining area. So this is a very spacious living and dining area. This is the kitchen you are getting. So you will get the upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney, hob, VRV inside the unit. This is a gas pipeline. And this is the view from the kitchen balcony facing the Godrej Aria and Godrej 101 projects with chimney, with your washing area and tap and switch. Now we are seeing the another 3 bedrooms of the 4 bedroom apartment of 2650 size. It's a very big area for your dining part, very spacious for your wardrobes also. This is the another 2nd bedroom which we are entering of Mapsco Mount Ville. You are getting the wardrobes inside it, the AC you will get it. This room does not have the balcony but a well ventilated area for the ventilation and the sunlight. Yeah, this room also does not have the washroom but it has a common washroom which you can use it for the guest. And this is the view which you got it from the balcony. So we are entering the 3rd bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom of 2650. A great ceiling height, some wardrobe area, friends. So the builder is providing you the wardrobes also inside the product. This is the washroom with all the high-end fittings of Kohler. Yeah, your shower area, shower panel and a well-ventilated washroom. I'll show the view from the balcony also, so that if you're looking a 4 bedroom apartment, you can contact my shop deal. See the view from the balcony. It is the internal view from the balcony. It's totally green, facing the club and the Aravlis. This is sector 79, Gurgaon. The main advantage of this sector is it is near to the Aravali belt. So whatever the projects this sector has of Godrej, Brastec or Mapsco, they face the huge green area. Now we are entering the 3rd bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom. The last one which we saw is the master bedroom. So this is the another 4th bedroom. So this is the room size with the well ventilated sunlight balcony and the wardrobe area. This is a washroom which you will get with the 4th bedroom. Again, well ventilation, all fittings, and I'll show you the view from the balcony also. This will be the uninterrupted view from the balcony also, friends. So this is for the 4 bedroom of Mapsco Mount Ville. For any query, contact my shop deal team to know more. Thank you so much. Take care.